Question 8, we are asked ANDing 8F hex and O2 hex will result in which of the following hex numbers? Well, first thing we have to note is that hex is 8-bit, right? So when we look at each of these parts, this part and this part, we're going to have 8 bits together, 4 bits each. And then the same thing with this, we're going to have 4 bits and 4 bits, which will create a total of 8 bits. And so let's look at this first one. We're doing it in blue. F, we know in binary, because we need to convert this to binary to actually add them. We know that F in binary we can find by making a little table. We have A, B, C, D, E, and F, with F being the last. And we know that in hex, A is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So this shows us that F is 15. Now, if we write this in binary, we would have 2 cubed, 2 squared, 2, 1, 2, 0. And from here, we would just do our normal binary stuff, and we would see that we would get 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And so the F part is going to be 1, 1, 1, 1. This is the back part. Now we have the 8 here. And 8 in binary, well, we know that this is 8. So we would have 8, and then the next one is 4, and then we have 1 and 0. So all we need is 8. We're just going to have 1, 0, 0, 0. So we will just write 1, 0, 0, 0. Now we can add these together. So we still need to do the second one though. So 0 in binary is just 0, 0, 0, 0. And then 2 in binary, we'll just follow the same principle here. Actually, this should not be a 1. This should be a 2, which is what we want. We're going to have a 0, 0, 1, 0. So we're going to have 0, 0, 1, 0. Now we need to make an AND truth table. So we know we have 2 inputs. We have 1 output. We know our inputs are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. These aren't the required inputs. They're just all the possible outcomes. And then an AND gate, we're going to have 0, 0, 0, 1. So only when both of these are 1 will we have a 1 here. So that means we're going to have a 0, 0, 0, 0. We're going to have a 0, 0, 1, 0. So knowing this, we need to convert it back to hex, right? So we can see that all of this and all of this are 2 separate 4 bits, which combined are going to give us 8 bits. So this is clearly a 0, and then this is clearly a 2, because remember what we did up here. So we're going to have 0, 2, meaning that B is going to be the correct answer.